comrade i-announcement encane nje khona ne kuyacelwa ngale nkantolo bazosibiza manje but then bacela ukuthi ngeke bakhona basi-accommodate sonke ngaphakathi enkantolo yabona so kuzocelwa abantu abawu-10 abazohamba bayo-represent inhlangano ngaphakathi because there's no space but if khona umuntu ofuna ukuza ne uzoba ngaphandle enkantolo uzoba ngaphandle yabona so i-briefing is like this i-prosecutor icela ukuthi i-case bayipostpone without bail une-discrepancy ekhona afuna ukuyidiscussa ne-investigating office because i-charge sheet from i-IO weyibhalwe sorry military voice sisoja mina comrade angeke kusotsheleni mina ngisemkhontweni okay comrades indaba kaso i-prosecutor icela ukuthi i-case postpone ne izophuma ijet khona manje ukuthi yaningi because kune-discrepancy abafuna ukuyidiscussa between yena ne-investigating office yabona so now into ezoyenzakala ngeke banika ibhayili abafundi but into esiyela ngaphakathi i-formality nje yokuthi i-case has been postponed to this date bese siyabuya siyasho ukuthi i-date amandla